In news overseas, protesters continue to challenge the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE. More in this report.
Large protests in Broadview today with a message for the Trump administration.
This is our country. It belongs to we, the people, and it seems to have been taken over by a group of people who don't have our best interests at heart.
It's the first protest seen at this ICE processing facility in quite some time, since thousands gathered here weekly at the peak of immigration operations across the Chicagoland area. Now, with escalating tensions in Minneapolis in recent weeks, protesters say now is the time to keep organizing.
What's happening here is bad, but Minnesota, my God, that's like ground zero. And to use that much tear gas on a crowd for what?
Protesters also pushing back against the narrative from the Trump administration, where the president and DHS Secretary Kristi Noem have said many anti-ICE protesters are paid agitators.
I'm just an old white guy from the suburbs. I don't have a criminal record. I don't get paid for this. I do it because we have to. We have to get out. In bad weather, good weather.
The crowd rallied right outside the ICE facility in Broadview for a couple hours today before marching their way down 25th Street. The Unified Command Center reported no arrests from today's protest. People here today say it was important to send their message peacefully.
It's about people who see what's happening and they want to make a change. And that's why you have people out here in 12-degree weather, however cold it is out here, because they want to see change.